Hey guys, today I am back at Universal Studios Orlando, and today we are going to see what is new here in the park. There's some things that have changed. We are going to show you. There's Mardi Gras prep going on. There's some things we got to talk about, some ride closures that may happen really soon, and we're going to go full on into it. So come on and join me. It is always good to be back at Universal Studios Orlando, the best theme park in town. Let's go inside. Let's see what's new here. So during the month of January, they actually have an exclusive pass holder entrance that you can utilize, which is over here to the right, where the administration building is. You just go around there, and that's right there. So if it's backed up and pretty far, you don't have to worry about it. Right now, it's kind of dead, so I'm just gonna, you know what? Yeah. I don't know, which way am I going? Let's just use the pass holder entrance. Yeah, right this way. I go here where the restrooms are. It's just over here to the left. Yep, just right over here. It actually leads you right into the park. Not bad at all. So right here on Hollywood Boulevard, there were some construction walls up right here. You can see the pavement has been changed over. It's like I thought, it's just an easy pavement job. Right outside the studio store, they actually have changed the banners over from Christmas to just stationary Universal Studios store, and that will change again really shortly when it changes over to Mardi Gras. It almost looks like Rip Ride's about to go into the sun. Doesn't it? It's not that close. It kind of looked like it when they were first going up though. It looked funny. Universal's next event is Rock the Universe, which is happening January 27th through the 28th. You can see they're already getting the stage ready for that, clearing out some things and adding trusses up here. Now they may add these and leave these additionally for Mardi Gras later. It's very possible. I have not shown this yet in the video. Look at the top of the building there. I don't think they're finished with that. I think they still have more paint to do.
Revenge of the Mummy.
That is right behind the Minion Cafe and on the back side of the Transformers attraction. It's pretty cool. Also, you can see they still have light trusses up left over from the holidays. That's because they're doing a Mardi Gras parade. They just leave these up because, you know, why tear them down? They need the additional lighting. Here in the New York section, they are still working on this mural back here by the New York Public Library. I'm sure it's just some minor work that needs to be done, but they're still working on it. So weather has been weird lately, so they may not have been able to finish it because of that. Thank the Lord the tree is gone. Now, you guys know I love some Christmas time, but I think it was time for the tree to go away, for sure. And all the Christmas decorations on the buildings as well is gone. So we're getting ready for Mardi Gras very soon.
My name is Optimus Prime. I am an autonomous robotic organism from the planet Cybertron. An Autobot for short. Welcome, recruits. Your tour is about to begin.
Stepping over to Battery Park, it looks like they've removed all the holiday stuff over here, getting it ready for Mardi Gras, which starts in like 3 weeks. So all that's removed, so they are definitely moving. So out here by Cafe La Bamba, there were construction walls up here. There are no longer construction walls up here at this front part because the pavement has been redone. It looks brand new. You can see there. So the Mardi Gras parade is going to happen. I mean, we knew this anyway, but just to confirm, new pavement. You can see how black it is there and brand new. That's pretty cool though. We're gonna get that parade because it's a lot of fun. And Homer, Marge, and Lisa are out right now. That's so cool, it's kind of fitting. You guys stick around for the rest of the video because we're gonna talk about the Simpsons. Let's walk over here by the tribute store and see if there's any clues that they've left us in the windows. Nope, nothing in the windows because they don't even have the curtains drawn back. It's right here at the edge. So nothing in the windows there. But pretty soon, we'll get the facade out here, I'm sure. Mardi Gras always has some really cool tribute stores. So I can't wait to see what they're going to do with it. The exit of the tribute store is even all blocked out. So hopefully they use this again. It was really cool how they had it. I guess they're going to, kind of, instead of walking out the middle, they kind of blocked it all off so you can just walk out right here. I felt like it was more organized that way. Now there are rumors floating around that some things are about to change here at Universal Orlando. Now, there is no like credible source other than some permits that were caught online that someone saw what they said. That's the only information that we have. But I want to talk about what the possibility is, what happens if these things change. But we have to go over here real quick to talk about that. Oh, there's Dora coming out today. Hey guys, stepping over here in Kids Zone area. Let's take a look. Shrek's Swamp House is starting to really take shape. Looks really cool. Wonder if they're gonna, I'm sure they're gonna add more like coats of paint on there. Maybe give it more of a bark look. And also though, here is the Troll Coaster right back here. You can see that. Kind of see there's a building that's starting to get painted like a rainbow color. That is pretty cool. So that's replacing the Woody Woodpecker coaster. It should be fun. I mean, it's been years since I have rode the Woody Woodpecker coaster, but hey, it should be a lot of fun, right? Bye, trolls. I don't know their names. Sorry. It's Shrek and Fiona. Really quick, I wanted to talk about that. I just got a comment on our video from yesterday for Festival of the Arts, and that video is right here for you guys to check out. But it was really cool that someone that went there yesterday went to go get a painting to honor their son that passed away in September, I believe, of this past year. And it just means a lot that we can help you guys and be a part of your lives and help you plan your vacations, and that you feel open to talk to us about stuff like that, because we know it's very difficult. Angie and I both have dealt with loss, and we know it's very difficult to talk about. So you guys always can talk to us about stuff, and feel free to write us on our Instagram and everything. I'll link that all down below. But it's really good to hear from families that are impacted through our channel and that we're able to help. Guys, look at this line to meet Shrek and Fiona. That's crazy. That's awesome though. So part of what we're going to talk about today is what this was supposed to be. Rumor was that it was going to be Super Nintendo Land, but they changed it. They changed plans, but now something else is coming. So the talk behind this was it was actually supposed to be a Pokemon Land, like a Pokemon, different attractions and meet and greets and stuff like that. That's no longer happening here, but it may be happening over here somewhere. Well, not here. They should get rid of this altogether. I know that's an unpopular opinion. Let's go over here a little bit further and talk about what might be coming. So, I've been teasing it the whole video. The rumor going around is that Simpsons will be closing by the end of the year, this year or early 2025, to make room for a Pokemon attraction. Now, in Japan, there is an attraction that's opening up where the old Spider-Man attraction was at. Actually closes this month, and it's going to be replaced by a Pokemon attraction there, which is kind of like a Spider-Man type ride over at Islands of Adventure. But that is the rumor right now. That Krusty Land and the Simpsons ride is going away. Even though it was supposed to go away in like 2030, it can close as early as this year or the beginning of next year, giving room for Universal to do something pretty cool here. By the way, Angie is here with me today, believe it or not, and Joey. They were riding the Mummy earlier while I was doing the updates, and you guys had to wait, what, 40 minutes? 30 minutes? It's pretty busy today, though. I mean, it's pretty crowded, but, you know, it is what it is. We're talking about the Simpsons here. What do you think? Let's get your opinion. Should they get rid of the Simpsons attraction?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
But I don't like what they're putting in its place, if that's the truth.
Definitely.
Pokemon
would be cool.
Yeah, for sure. Now I should.
Now if they're going to use the same ride,
Then that would be.
It would be updated. The rumor is that the whole building may be knocked down, which is sad because of Back to the Future.
Yeah.
You know, we don't like to get into rumors too much on the channel here, but it's the one thing I wanted to talk about for sure with this is that maybe that the whole thing would be torn down and they would do something different with it.
I mean, this whole land is kind of crap.
I love Universal, but this is my least favorite thing here at Universal. Is the Simpsons area.
Old,
It's Lake Winnie in Chattanooga.
Lake Winnie of Chattanooga. Yeah, it does. It does remind me of the. I mean, it's like got carnival rides and stuff like that. Now the thing is that Disney actually owns the Simpsons property now because they own Fox now. So that's another reason why they were not going to renew their license and just kind of give it back to Disney, which would be interesting to see what Disney would do with it, if anything. I doubt they will though, because all the parks are very kiddie. But yeah, so Universal can let that expire in 2028, but that doesn't mean that they have to keep the attraction here for that long. They can say, you know what, we're done with it. If we want to do something with it, we can keep Homer and Bart around for the next couple of years and just be done. 2 tents in the back that are used for Halloween Horror Nights that's also being rumored to be knocked down and made more room. I don't know if you can kind of see them from back here. I'm not going to zoom in there because that's backstage, but behind these trees here is where that area is at. So it is possible that that could happen. I don't know. They'd have to make new areas though for new houses and stuff. But back over here at the Lagoon, you can see they are starting to work on the show again. We know it's rumored to have a show this year. Hopefully they will. I mean, it'd be pretty cool. I liked the light show and the water show that they had before, but there's rumors that the show's not just going to be involved down here, but up there. So we shall see what's going to happen. Just headed into the studio store here. Look at this. This is for the new year. Look at this. Little Minion plush. That is pretty cool. That is awesome. He is $22. Then they have this cup here too. This is pretty cool. I think this is for $17. Yep, $17 for that. It's really cool. I just now noticed this little plankton. That is cool. I need one of these. But this Mr. Krabs is always cool too. This might sound really stupid, but didn't there used to be a tree right here? When you're trying to get the right thumbnail and the wind keeps blowing the mist. And just like that, the Universal Legacy store has closed to make room for an Epic Universe Preview Center. At least that is the rumor. Universal did say on Twitter the other day that something was confirmed, but they didn't say what it was. But it's going to be pretty cool. Now the E is bent. I've seen some people online talk about this. I wonder if that means anything. Maybe, maybe not. But it is going to be really cool whenever the preview center comes. I'm going to miss the Legacy store because it had some old props from the old park, but still. So anyway, that is everything that is new at Universal today. Everything that is going on here at the park. There's so much. The future is bright for Universal. There's a lot going on this year. The channel will be jam-packed of Universal this year. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with everything going on at Universal. Make sure you check out this video right here to talk about everything that you can expect this year in 2024 of Universal, because it's going to be an amazing particular year and I cannot wait. More Epic Universe stuff to come up. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, the road goes ever on. I will see you next time.